Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Well, I can't resist. I've been shopping again and I had a blast. I went shopping at Joannes Fabrics and Crafts in St. George, Utah. I also have a local Dollar Tree store. I went there, and I also went shopping on Etsy.com. Okay, let's get started. So my first stop was Joannes Fabrics and Crafts. And this is a tassel maker that's manufactured by Clover. Clover makes all kinds of little gadgets to make pom-poms, tassels, and numerous other items. Now, I'm always looking for something that's going to make my hobby of sewing easier because I have a right hand that doesn't close. So I'm hoping that this little gadget will make things easier for me. And here is the back of it. So it has all the instructions. And after I learn how to use it, I'll demonstrate it in a future tutorial. This panel fabric was also from Joannes Fabrics and Crafts, and it has a fall theme. It's called Happy Fall. So probably next summer you will see a tutorial released on this particular panel. I like to make small lap quilts out of these. You can also make it into a wall hanging if you like. I really love this fall pumpkin fabric. Now, all of these things that I'm showing you, except for the tassel maker, I got on sale. So when you go shopping at Joann's, look for those sales. Use their coupon app that you can keep on your phone, and you can save a lot of money when you go shopping there. So this is part of their fall fabric line, and it will be great for making anything you want for the fall season. They also had a sale on Christmas fabric. It was 50% off, plus I had another coupon where I got some more money off on my total price. My favorite is this plaid fabric. I really love plaid and I love checks. This fabric here, well, all three of these have a metallic gold all over it. Now that you can feel the raised portion of the metallic gold on this particular fabric. I was a little disappointed in their fabrics for this year for the Christmas season. I love the fabrics that have the little glitter on it. They didn't have anything like that this year that I noticed, but this was also a good choice. This piece of panel fabric I purchased off of Etsy.com. And I liked this one a lot because it's narrow. So I think for next year, I will turn it into a Christmas wall hanging, which I just love. I don't have a lot of wall space for it, so I'm hoping that I can get this to fit in my tiny little wall space that I do have. So if you're looking for things you can make for next season, now is the time to look for it, especially with all the sales for the Christmas holiday. And if you're interested in purchasing this panel fabric, it's by Timeless Treasures. This is Joann's Keepsake quilting fabric, and I was looking for something fun to use for spring sewing projects. Joannes has a great collection of canvas fabrics. It's over where they sell the outdoor furniture fabric. It's all in that same area. And I use their canvas fabric for making pillows. I'll even use it on table runners occasionally, but I also love it to make a tote bag. So these two pieces here will be used in a tote bag in a future tutorial. This is Joannes Fleece. It's the anti-pill fleece that they carry. And it looks like I bought about 2 yards. I don't remember why I bought it and what I'm going to make out of it, but I use their fleece a lot. So even though I forgot, I'm sure I'll think of something else. All of these items I bought at our local Dollar Tree store. And even though I'm done making my Christmas projects for this year, I purchased these things that I can use next year. So these are little foam sheets in the shape of an angel. I liked it because I could use this as a template for making angels for other projects. I'm sure you can decorate these in a variety of ways, but this is multi-purpose. You can do a lot with these. I also loved these little lights. These look like snowflakes, I think. And then these, I'm not sure what these are. I can't see them that well, but I think they're little trees. And then over here is another set of these LED lights that sparkle. These are little felt stickers that you can maybe even put on your packages or other craft projects. I thought they were really cute. These are little Santa Claus felt stickers. And then I love all of these little bows. I like to make Christmas tree ornaments, and so I can use these little bows to embellish them. And then there are these little poinsettia also. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this shopping experience as much as I did. And I also hope I've inspired you to use items like this in your projects. Now, if you're interested in beginners sewing projects, just scroll down to the description section. Click on Show More or the down arrow, and it will expand open and you will see links appearing to take you to those tutorials. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.